Hello, designers! Today we're breaking down the correct placement of a bidet, looking at common layout mistakes and how to fix them. If this helps, please don't forget to like this video. Alright, let's get started. Placing the toilet and bidet directly facing the entrance creates an immediate privacy issue. The most private fixtures are visible the moment the door opens, which can make the space feel exposed. To fix this, position the toilet and bidet to the side of the entrance. This creates separation, improves privacy, and makes the layout feel more intentional. Spreading fixtures across every wall might look balanced, but it complicates plumbing and makes the layout feel scattered. It also increases cost and reduces efficiency. A better approach is to concentrate fixtures on one or two walls. This simplifies plumbing, improves efficiency, and creates a cleaner, more organized layout. Separating the toilet and bidet into different enclosed zones breaks their natural relationship. Since they're meant to be used together, this layout feels inconvenient and unintuitive. Instead, place the toilet and bidet within the same partitioned area. This keeps the layout logical, comfortable, and easier to use. When the entrance view lacks a focal point, the bathroom feels visually weak. There's no clear hierarchy, and the space feels underwhelming. To improve this, place the most eye-catching element along the entrance axis. This creates a strong first impression and gives the room a clear visual structure. Placing fixtures directly in front of the door disrupts movement. It makes the space feel cramped and awkward to navigate. The solution here is to keep the entry path clear. A clean, uninterrupted flow makes the bathroom feel more open and easier to move through. When secondary functions are easier to reach than primary ones, the layout feels confusing. The space no longer reflects how people naturally use a bathroom. To correct this, design with hierarchy in mind. Place the toilet and bidet first, followed by the wash basin, with the shower or tub deeper in the space. And that's how small layout changes can make a big difference in comfort, privacy, and flow. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.